Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Let's start with the unit number 4, and our unit number 4 title is the natural language processing, that is the NLP, and the ANN, that is the artificial neural network. Now, in this topic, we will see the study of another branch of computer science. Just like up till now, we have seen the many things related with the artificial intelligence, which is also the branch of computer science, which related with the how we can make the system which can think like a human being, which can behave like the human being, etc., etc. Now, today we are starting the discussion with the another topic, that is the natural language processing, which is also the what we can say subset of the artificial intelligence only, or it is also being considered as one of the method of the artificial intelligence only. And in the second half of this unit, we will study about the artificial neural network. Now, before we start the discussion, just I want to know, do you know anything about what do you mean by the natural language processing? What is your idea about the natural language processing? Yes. Yes. Any idea? What do you mean by the natural language processing? Are you doing the natural language processing?
Yes, sir.
How?
सपोज एखादा वेगळी लँग्वेज बोलणारा ह्युमन म्हणजे माणूस जर आपल्यासोबत बोलतोय, तर आपण ते अंडरस्टँड करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो आणि देन त्याला त्याच्याच भाषेत रिप्लाय देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो.
Exactly. So that is nothing but the natural language processing. Natural language in the sense the language that is being spoken by the human being, like Hindi, English, Marathi, Japanese, Urdu, etc., etc. These are all the natural languages that are being present in the world. And when the one human being speak with the another, then those who is the speaker who speaks, and those who are the listener, they listen and try to understand what is being spoken by that speaker. And if I ask you the question in English language, any question, what do you mean by the artificial intelligence? Then you think on that, and then you answer me in the what I expect you should answer me in the English only. Understood? So what you do when I am speaking, you just think on it, you understand it, and you try to generate your answer in the similar language, that is the, for example, English language. That is nothing but the natural language processing that we are exchanging. Okay, human being. But here our point of discussion is what can we have the machine, can we have the artificial entity who can understand this natural language and who can answer us in the natural language. Now, is this kind of machines are available today? Do you know any kind of such devices? Yes.
Robot?
Which robot? Does all the robot present today understand the English language?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All robots.
All robots. Yes.
Assistant.
Yes, there are some limited devices available today who can only understand the natural language that is being spoken by the human being. For example, there is a Alexa device is there, which is being produced by the Amazon. Some of you might be knowing this Alexa device is there, who can understand the English language and who can perform the activity as per the instruction given by the human being. Understood?
Understood.
I'm getting the echo. Hello? Yes. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ha. So do you know the Alexa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
TV वर सुद्धा आता ऍड येते बघा त्याची. Number of news channels are also started using that Alexa device. Okay. And that is the one particular kind of device which can understand the English language just like you are understanding it, and that device also gives you the answer in the English language only. Okay. Now, does the computer understand the English language? Does the computer understand the English language?
No.
Then
No, sir.
what
Binary
language it
language.
understands? It
Binary
understands the
language.
binary language. Understood. Means even if you are typing in the English, that get converted into some another format and then get it exchanged with the computer. Now, natural language processing means what we want. We want the computer should understand the English language just being it is being understood by the human being. You are getting the point. What we want, the machine should also understand the natural language in the similar way that is being understood by the human being. And also we want the computer or the machines or the robots should answer us by understanding this. For example, if you take the example of natural language, the English language, that all the devices, machines should also understand this language as it is, and then that machine should also reply us in the similar language that is kind of natural language. Understood? So natural language processing is nothing but what? Building the such kind of machines who can understand the natural language as it is. Okay, who can understand the natural language as it is, just like it is being understood by the human being, and the machine should give us the reply in the same language. Just like if I ask you the question, you give me the reply in the English language. We want the machine also should talk with us in the English language only. That particular concept is nothing but the called as what? Natural language processing. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but the natural language processing. Same point I have mentioned here. Processing of the natural language is required when you want an intelligent system like a robot to perform as per our instruction. So intelligent system is nothing but for example, robots. Understood? Now, when we require the natural language processing, when we want that robot should understand when you ask the robot, go there and take some devices and put that devices somewhere else, put that some particular, for example, go to the another room and take the table from that room and put that table into the another room. When you are giving such kind of instruction to that robot in the English language, what we want, English language should the robot should understand that in the similar language only, in that English language only, without any kind of double meaning or without any kind of interruption or without any kind of doubt. Just like when I'm speaking, you used to understand it is properly in the English language. We want the intelligence system should also understand in the similar way. We don't want any kind of what we can say, just like in case of the computer, we have the compilers and the interpreter which convert that particular form into the binary form. We don't want that kind of things. We want that machine should understand directly it into the English language. You are getting my point. Nowadays computer can understand the English language as it is possible. No, so the experiments are going on that, so that how can computer understand the English language or the any natural language in the similar way, just like it is being understood by the human being. Understood? Now, if this thing will happen, it will be the advantageous or not? If this thing become possible, will it be advantageous or not?
Yes, of course, advantages.
Of course it will be advantageous, because nowadays you can see there are a lot of limitations. Okay, for if you want to give any kind of instruction to the robots or to the machine, okay, a lot of processing has to be done, then that machines or the robot understand these things. But if that machine is able to understand the natural language, then it will be also helpful for the human being to give instruction to that machines. Yes or no? In any language,
Yes,
you
sir.
can give the instruction. So to making the machine capable to understand the natural language, okay, that is nothing but our natural language processing.
Process.
Okay, so same thing I have mentioned here, that processing of the natural language is required when you want the intelligent system like robot to perform the as per our instruction, when you want to hear the decision from the dialogue based clinical expert system. Now when you go to the doctor, you tell doctor, I have this kind of symptoms, I have headache, etc., etc., and doctor tells you what kind of medicine you should take. But if you build the artificial doctor, okay, and if you tell him this kind of things, now nowadays it has to be converted into the some another form, and then you get the reply, and the what you can say, the accuracy of that reply is still very limited. It is 70 or the 60%. Yes or no? If you compare the human being as a clinical expert system, or the human being as a doctor and artificial doctor, which will give you the 100% correct result?
Human being.
Human being. Why? Because human being can understand what you are speaking exactly, understood, and he can
Yes.
think on that in the better way. But if you build the what you can say, such kind of clinical expert system using the programming and etc., etc., then there will be some kind of limitations, some kind of what you can say, we will not able to get the correct response, 100% correct response, etc. But if it is possible that if that clinical expert system is able to understand the English language, Marathi language in the proper way, then that system will give you the 100% correct result, just like the human being, understood? Because that system will understand your language in the proper way, understood? If it understand it in the proper way, then definitely it will give you the answer also in the proper way. That is the reason we want the natural language processing, we want the robot, we want the machine to understand the natural language like Hindi, English, Marathi as it is. Okay, so here also I have mentioned the natural language processing refers to the AI method. It is also one of the method of artificial intelligence. For what purpose? For communicating with the intelligence system using the natural language such as a English. So it is a one of the AI method. Okay, for the purpose of what? For the purpose of communicating with the any kind of intelligence system like the robot. You can take the example, for the purpose of communicating with the any kind of intelligence system using which kind of languages? Natural languages. Just like I am speaking in the English, you are understanding it. We want the machine or intelligence system should understand that language in the that way only, just like the way human beings are understanding. Okay, here I have mentioned the natural language processing, the branch of the computer science, just I told you, which focus on the developing system that allow the computer to communicate with the people using the everyday language. Nowadays, does the computers are communicating with the people in the everyday languages? Yes. Does the computer can communicate with us in the everyday languages?
Yes.
Yes. Then why you are writing the C programming, C program, Java program to tell something to the computer? Write it in the Marathi language, na?
No.
Getting? So,
Yes.
so NLP is nothing but it is a branch of the computer which focus on the developing system that allow the computer to communicate with the people using the everyday language. Everyday language in the sense whatever the natural language are present in the world. Okay. Here also I have mentioned NLP is the subfield of the artificial intelligence which is devoted to make the computer understand the statement written in the human language. जर आपण मराठीमध्ये लिहिलं प्रोग्राम, the computer should understand it in the computer should understand what you have written. You are getting my point. If you write something in the Hindi, the computer should understand it as it is. So building that kind of system, that for that purpose, that there is a need of what? Natural language processing. Getting now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in short, computer should understand the human being language as it is. Okay, and nowadays number of experiments are going on and devices also coming into the market. Just like I told you the example of Alexa device, which can understand the Google Assistant is also there, who can understand whatever you speak and will give you the answer. Okay, and for that purpose, the concept which is behind that is nothing but which concept? The natural language processing, making the intelligence system to communicate with the human being in the same language that is being spoken by the human beings. Okay. Next, also mention I have mentioned some points like it involves the active participation from the machine in the form of the dialogue. That is, NLP aims at text or verbal output from the machine or the robot. So when you speak with the machine in the Hindi language, Marathi language, English language, machine should also give you the output in the form of the text also, and machine should also give you the output in the form of the verbal also. Now, if you talk with the Google Assistant, okay, it will give you the output in the text format also. Yes or no? Have you tried? Yes. If you type some question on the Google Assistant, it will also give you reply in the textual format.
Yes, sir.
If you speak it in the verbal way, then also it will give you the if you speak it using your voice, it will also give the reply in the similar way. And also I have mentioned NLP includes or NLP encompasses anything computer needs to understand the natural language and also generate the natural language. We want the computer to understand the natural language, and we want the computer to generate the answer in the natural language. Natural language in any kind of natural language. Okay. So another definition of NLP I have mentioned here. NLP is the form of the AI. It is the form of the artificial intelligence that help the machine to read the text by simulating the human ability to understand the language. ज्या पद्धतीने human beings can understand the language being spoken by another human being when the two persons are communicating in the Marathi, Hindi or the English, so that two person can easily understand what they are speaking and okay, what they are talking, what they are communicating. We also want to develop such kind of machine, okay, who can talk with us in this kind of natural language. Now when machine can talk with you in the machine, natural language, when it will be possible? When the machine will understand it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If the machine don't understand Marathi language, Hindi language, English language, then he will not reply in that language. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we want the machine to understand this natural language, and we want the machine to reply in that similar language. आणि हे पॉसिबल करण्यासाठी जी टेक्निक यूज केली जाते, that is called as what? Natural language processing. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So another number of definitions I have mentioned here, meaning of all the same, just I have written in the different way. It is the field of natural language. The field of natural language processing involves making the computers to perform the useful task with the natural language that human uses. The input and output of the NLP system can be consist of the speech and the written text. Means if this system will be get the whatever the systems are available which are available with this kind of ability, that is the natural language processing, just like Google Assistant or the Alexa I am telling you, they can answer you in the they can understand the speech voice also, and they can understand the written text also, and they can give you the output in the form of the voice also, they can give the output in the form of the written text also. Okay. Now, another thing, NLP helps the computer to understand the sentences as they are spoken or written by the human. The whatever language, natural language being used by the human being, NLP helps the machine or the computer to understand that in the similar language that is being utilized by the human being. Okay. NLP involves machine or the robot to understand and process the language that human speaks and infer the knowledge from the speech input. So NLP help the machine to understand the natural language, and by understanding it, generate some output, generate some conclusion, generate some knowledge from that particular understood language, or generate some output from that, what you can say, whatever the input given by the human being in the form of the any natural language. Okay, so that is nothing but our NLP. In short, NLP simply consists of making the machine capable to understand the natural language and making the machine capable to speak in the natural language with the human being. Okay, got this point? Natural language processing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number of definitions I have told you. Now, what natural language, that already we know. Whatever the language spoken by the human beings. Here simply example I have written: English, Japanese, German, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Urdu, Malayalam, etc. etc. These are all the natural language. And what we want the machine to understand this language as it is, and we want the machine to reply us using that languages only. And to do this possible, to make this possible, the technique or the concept or the technology, that is, this is natural language processing. Okay, with the help of this, it is now becoming possible that machine can also speak with us in these languages only. Now, as opposed to these, the languages being utilized by the artificial intelligence, as opposed to these, the artificial languages are like, you can see these programming language we are utilizing. These are all the considered as a artificial languages, because these are the language which are being nowadays being utilized for the machine to understand the different things. Okay. Now let's see why the NLP is required. Okay, why the NLP is required? Why natural language processing? Now tell me why natural language processing is required. 2 marks question, 4 marks question can be asked. Why the natural language processing is required? Yes, try to answer. Why NLP? In your interview also you might get such kind of questions, because this is the recent technology on which the work is going on. Yes, why NLP?
तर नॅचरल लँग्वेज आपल्याला समजायला सोपी आहे ना, त्यामुळे
सोपी आहे, एक्झॅक्टली, दॅट इज द वन रिझन. कारण एखादी गोष्ट तुम्हाला समजली, if you understood something clearly, then you can also give the reply fastly. That is the main thing. Another.
We can conclude anything by natural language processing.
We can
Conclude.
Exactly, we can conclude means we can make the conclusion fastly as compared with the nowadays system, because if you understand something, you can make the conclusion from that fastly. Anything?
सर सपोज NLP जर यूज केलं तर इंटरमिजिएट किंवा ब्रिजची गरज नाहीये.
एक्झॅक्टली, त्या ब्रिज मुळे प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड थोडा तरी कमी होत
कमी
असेल.
होतो. हा
Exactly.
येस.
Another big advantage can be, जर मशीनला नॅचरल लँग्वेज जर समजायला लागली बऱ्यापैकी, तर सगळ्या लोकांना, म्हणजे ज्या लोकांना आता सगळेच लोक सी लँग्वेज किंवा जावा ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी लिहू शकत नाही, प्रोग्रामिंग करू शकतात का सगळेच लोक, किंवा सगळेच लोकांना कॉम्प्युटर हँडल करता येत नाही, बरोबर. But if the computer can understand Marathi language, English language, Hindi language, then all the people can have the interaction with this kind of system. Yes or no?
येस सर.
So those are the reason. Now here I have given some example. You can see this is something I have written in the English language. Some news I have written. News: an earthquake struck Indonesia today. A strapping 7.7 magnitude earthquake that struck early today off the northern coast of the island of Sumatra. It caused minor damage and there are no reports of the deaths, although the electricity was interrupted in several places. Now this is the paragraph in the English I have written. Okay. Now if you consider the today's situation of the machine, how machine will look to this kind of paragraph? How machine looks to this kind of paragraph, or how the computer will see this English language paragraph? Will the computer directly understand this?
No.
Computer nowadays can see this English language paragraph like this. Now what is this? Are you getting anything from this?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Means what? Now what I am trying to say here? Yes. Hmm.
So question.
Now this particular part, if this particular part is given to the computer, okay. Now consider nowadays computer don't have any kind of intermediate thing there, compiler, interpreter, etc., etc. Correct? Then how the computer will see this text? According to the computer, this text is nothing but like this.
Yes.
Yes or no? Means what?
Yes.
Computer is looking this text like this. तुम्ही सुद्धा कधीतरी तुम्हाला अनुभव आला असेल की तुम्ही एखादी फाईल ओपन करता आणि त्या फाईल मध्ये अशा काहीतरी गोष्टी असतात. Correct or not? Because
Yes, sir.
that is the damaged file or corrupted file. Okay. Now if the computer don't understand the English language or the natural language, the computer will see this. Now this is written in which language? This paragraph?
English.
English language. But now think computer don't understand the natural language as it is. Then computer will see this paragraph like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Computer will see this paragraph like this because computer don't understand the natural language. But what we want, the computer should understand this part as it is instead of like this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And when it will become possible? Only when the natural language processing will
Yeah.
get implemented in the system. Correct or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Correct.
And so that is the reason we want the NLP, because here also I have mentioned some reasons for that. Why NLP? Because computer lack the knowledge. Computer see the text in English the same way we have seen in the previous text. Okay. And people, as compared with the human being, you can see the people have no trouble, people have no difficulty in understanding the language. We have the common sense, we have the common sense knowledge, we have the reasoning capacity, we have the experience of different things, etc., etc. But does the computer have all these things? No, computer don't have any kind of common sense knowledge, no reasoning capacity. That's why we need the natural language processing. आता हे आपल्याला कॉमन सेन्स, नॉलेज, रिझनिंग कॅपॅसिटी, एक्सपिरियन्स ह्या गोष्टी कशामुळे आपण करू शकतो? कारण आपण सगळ्यात बिकॉज वी कॅन अंडरस्टँड द नॅचरल लँग्वेज. येस ऑर नो? We can understand these, we can speak in that language, and that's why we have the reasoning capacity, we have the common sense knowledge, etc., etc. Now if you want these things to be done from the computer, the first and important thing that is nothing but the computer should understand the natural language. And if we want the computer to understand the natural language, there is a need of what? Natural language processing. Natural language processing simply is nothing but what? Computer should understand the language, natural language, and if the computer can understand the natural language, definitely computer should speak in the natural language only. So that is the reason we want the natural language processing. Let's take a simple example I have taken here. If you type something on the Google Translator like this, Mera naam Rajat hai, okay, then definitely Google will give you this answer. My name is Rajat. Correct or not? Or anything like this. But if you type these things on the Google, what? Grass is greener on the other side. काय? Grass is greener on the other side. आता ही काय एक मराठीमध्ये जी म्हण आहे किंवा वाक्प्रचार आहे, दुरून डोंगर साजरे, हे मराठी मधली म्हण आहे, बरोबर? त्याचे हिंदीमध्ये त्याला काय त्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन कसं होतं? दूर के ढोल सुहावणे. ओके, हे हिंदी मधलं त्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन. पण गुगल मध्ये त्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन तुम्हाला असं मिळणार नाही. गुगल मध्ये तुम्हाला ट्रान्सलेशन कसं मिळेल? असं, घास दुसरी तरफ हरियाली है, ऍक्च्युअली हरियाली आहे, बरोबर? यू आर गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम ट्राइंग टू से? Why this is happening? Why this is happening?
Natural language.
Because nowadays the system is not fully capable to understand the natural language. You are getting my point? If the system is fully capable to understand the natural language, आपल्याला आउटपुट कसं मिळालं असतं? दूर के ढोल सुहावणे, किंवा आउटपुट कसं मिळालं पाहिजे की दुरून डोंगर साजरे. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
येस.
तर आपल्याला जर आपल्याला आउटपुट गुगल कडनं असं पाहिजे असेल, ढोल काय ते दूर के ढोल सुहावणे किंवा दुरून डोंगर साजरे, तर त्याच्यासाठी काय लागणार आहे? नॅचरल लँग्वेज
प्रोसेसिंग.
And nowadays the lot of experiments are going on that. Number of successful results are also coming. Okay, so I hope you have got the clear concept what I am trying to say about the natural language processing. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take the another important application we can get if the natural language processing becomes successful. Here also I have taken the same paragraph that I told you in the previous example. Okay, something written about some incident, that earthquake incident, भूकंप झालेला आहे कुठेतरी इंडोनेशियामध्ये. हिअर त्याचा मॅग्निट्यूड किती रिश्टर स्केलवर तो भूकंप झाला, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी मेन्शन केलेल्या आहेत. ऍज वेल एज डॅमेज काय झालंय, किती लोक, हाऊ मेनी डेथ्स आर हॅपन, दिस थिंग्स आर मेन्शन इन दिस. बरोबर? आता तुम्ही आपल्याला मराठीमध्ये तुम्हाला एक सारांश लेखन म्हणून एक पार्ट होता बघा, बरोबर? सारांश लेखन. तर तुम्हाला आपल्याला एक पॅराग्राफ दिला जायचा आणि त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला एक काहीतरी काय तुम्हाला समजलं ते खाली आपण लिहायचं त्याच्यावर, बरोबर? सारांश लेखन म्हणजे काय की समरी रायटिंग. येस ऑर नो? किंवा आपण त्याला काय म्हणू शकतो? टेक्स्ट समरायझेशन. व्हॉट? टेक्स्ट समरायझेशन. आता इफ द कम्प्युटर विल अंडरस्टँड द नॅचरल लँग्वेज, देन इट शुड गिव्ह अस द आउटपुट लाईक दिस. Now, what is this output? Can you able to see this? What I have mentioned: location, Indonesia. Magnitude 7.7. Region, Sumatra northern coast. Deaths nil. Damage minor. तर हा पार्ट काय झाला? What is this part?
Summarization.
This is nothing but the summarization of this paragraph.
Yes.
You are getting my point? So if the computer will understand the natural language, then we can get this kind of output. You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
म्हणजे हे सगळं आपल्याला वाचत बसायची गरज आहे का?
नाही.
नो, आपल्याला फक्त this part. So our job will getting easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this particular application of the natural language is called as the text summarization. Okay, we are going to see in details application of the natural language, but just as an example I am telling you, this application is called as what? The text summarization. Okay, And when it will become possible? When the machines or intelligent system will able to understand the natural language, and when it will
Natural
become
language.
possible, when this technique will get implemented completely. That is the natural language process. Okay. Now let's see the important part, which is being also asked in the exam also number of times, the components of the natural language, components of the NLP or the components of the natural language processing. Just like we have discussed up till now, की जर मी तुम्हाला काय बोलतोय हे जर फर्स्ट if I ask you some question, if I ask you some question, I expect the answer from you. Okay. Now when you will give the answer, when you will understand what I am speaking, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is the first component. The first component in the natural language processing is what? Natural language understanding. First component of the natural language processing is what? NLU, natural language understanding. You are getting? So if we expect the machine should communicate with you in the natural language, the first thing machine should do is what? He should able to understand that natural language. And that is our first component of NLP, natural language understanding. Where what happen? Mapping the given input in the natural language into the useful representation. And what is the meaning of this technical sentence I have written here? Understanding the sentences which are written or spoken in the natural language. That is nothing but the natural language understanding. Okay. Now analyzing the different aspect of the languages. Now you can you know these natural language like Hindi, Marathi, English, Urdu. Now these are the very rich languages. Means it has the very, what we can say, it is very wide kind of formats, structure, syntaxes, grammar. These are the very different things are present in the each language. Yes or no? Grammars
sir.
of the different languages are
Yes, sir.
different, syntax of the different languages are different, etc., etc. All of you agree?
Yes.
And
Yes,
that
sir.
is the reason ambiguity problem can become. Now there are the ambiguity in the each of the different languages. Yes or no? What do you mean by the ambiguity?
Repetition. Confusion.
कन्फ्युजन किंवा आपण
Confusion,
म्हणतो
sorry,
की
sorry.
एकाच वर्डचे वेगवेगळे मिनिंग्स किंवा
Meanings, sir.
एकाच सेंटेन्सचे वेगवेगळे मिनिंग्स, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? ambiguity. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
जर ambiguity असेल तर आपल्याला अंडरस्टँडिंग मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम येतो. If there is ambiguity in some words or the sentences, there can be a problem in the natural language understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So here also for the machine also, that is the first what we are discussing, and the first component of natural language understanding. There also there different problems or the difficulties also comes. That is our next point here. That is nothing but difficulties in the natural language understanding. Okay. Now there can be a difficulties related with the ambiguities, and ambiguity can be present at the different levels. Okay, ambiguity can be present at the different levels. Okay. Now so all of you understood the first component here?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Natural language understanding, NLU.
म्हणजे काय?
Means
Okay, here we are discussing about the components of the NLP. First component is what? Natural language understanding. Means what? Yes. What is the first component? Natural language understanding as the first component of NLP.
yes.
Means what should happen here?
Represent the natural language. Sorry, represent the input in natural language.
Hmm.
and analyze the aspects of natural language like grammar.
Means machine should understand what is being written by the human being and what is being spoken by the human being. That is nothing but the
Yes.
first component. That is what natural language understanding. Just
Understanding.
like when I am speaking in the English, you are understanding it. That is the first component. Okay, understanding the, here I mentioned, understanding the sentences which are written or which are spoken in the natural language.
Spoken.
Understanding the different
Natural
aspects
language.
of that language, like structure, syntax, grammar, etc., etc. Okay, that is the first component, understanding of the natural language, any kind of natural language. Okay, so first component in the natural language processing, that is the natural language understanding.
Understand.
Then the point I have made, when you are understanding any languages, there comes the different difficulties, and most of the difficulties can come because of the ambiguities. Okay, so here also natural, in case of the natural language understanding, as a first component of NLP, there are the different levels of ambiguities are present. What? There are the different levels of ambiguities are present. Okay, in that we have the first level, that is the lexical ambiguity. Now you tell me, what do you mean by the lexical ambiguity? Yes, what do you mean by the lexical ambiguity?
स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे आपण ते ओएस मध्ये बघितलं होतं ते लेक्सिकल म्हणजे आपण स्ट्रक्चर ओरिएंटेड होते ते अंडरस्टँडिंग.
In system programming we have studied that.
येस सॉरी.
What is then the lexical? Yes.
सर म्हणजे स्ट्रक्चर अनालाइज करायचं म्हणजे त्याचं रिप्रेझेंटेशन स्ट्रक्चर आणि रिकॉग्नायझेशन करायचं त्याचं स्ट्रक्चरचं.
Ambiguity means what? Ambiguity means what?
Ambiguity means one word have multiple meaning.
One word have the multiple meaning. Now when it is the
Yes.
lexical, then there is a ambiguity is related with the single kind of word. For your
Yes,
kind
word.
knowledge, what? When is the lexical ambiguity, then there is a ambiguity is present with the one certain word. Okay, here I have mentioned it is at very primitive level, such as the word level. Lexical ambiguity is present at which level? Word level. Okay, for example, here I am mentioning the word board. Now board as a word, does it have the single meaning? Yes. Does the board as a word, it have the single meaning?
Yes. No. Board means.
Now board meaning, if I use the sentence, or if I use the sentence like board of directors, and if I use the word sentence like blackboard, now meaning of the board in the blackboard and meaning of the board in the board of directors is the same?
No.
Different meaning, na? Means that is
Yes.
what the called as the lexical ambiguity. You are getting the point. If one particular word can be have multiple meanings. Understood?
Yes.
And that is called as the ambiguity, and when it is related with the single word, then it is called as the lexical ambiguity.
Ambiguity.
Let me give the another example. Bat. Yes.
So different meaning. Bat means cricket. Bat वेगळे and bat means a bird. What to go?
That is a animal is also there, and you can say bat which you use as a device is an object. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
there, when there are the particular word can be considered as a noun or the verb also, or noun, verb, or the object. These different things are present with single word. Then
बाबाची पावडी द्यायची ना
there is a ambiguity, and when the ambiguity is
साडे अकरा वाजत आले.
single kind of word, that is being mentioned here as a lexical ambiguity. Okay. Now second kind of ambiguity is there, that is the syntax level ambiguity. What? Syntax level ambiguity. Yes. What do you mean by the syntax level ambiguity? How you can compare the syntax level ambiguity with the lexical ambiguity? Shantanu? All of you understood the lexical ambiguity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Word level ambiguity.
वर्ड लेवल म्हणजे एका वर्डला मल्टिपल मिनिंग
Single
असले
word.
तर आपण त्याला लेक्सिकल ambiguity. सिंटॅक्स लेवल ambiguity. आता इथं वर्ड लेवल, when ambiguity is present with some sentence, काय एखाद्या वर्डला रिलेटेड नसतं, instead of ambiguity is related with single word, when the ambiguity is there with one particular sentence, then that particular ambiguity is called as what? Syntax level ambiguity. A sentence can be parsed in the different ways. Means when there is a one particular sentence can have more than one meaning, then that ambiguity is called as what? Syntax level ambiguity. Now this example is written, but don't consider this, you will not understand this. Let me give you the another simple example. Okay, listen it carefully. Madam said on Monday she would give an exam. All of you understood the statement. What I said, you can write it down. Madam said on Monday she would give an exam. Yes. Statement समजलं तुम्हाला?
Yes.
Have you written down the sentence? Madam said on Monday she would give an exam. Can you tell me
Yes.
the meaning of this?
मॅडम म्हणाल्या मंडेला
त्या एक्झाम देणार आहेत असं
देणार आहे. हा एक्झाम
म्हणजे मॅडम आता इथं मला सांगा, मॅडम स्वतः एक्झाम देणार आहेत का काय करणार आहेत हे कळू शकतं का आपल्या याच्यावरून?
नाही नाही कळू शकत.
याचे दोन मिनिंग असू शकतात ना, की मॅडम स्वतः एक्झाम देणार असतील
किंवा आपल्याला देणार असतील,
किंवा तुम्हाला ते एक्झाम लिहायला देणार असतील.
येस.
Does these two meanings are present with this sentence? Yes or no?
येस सर.
Yes. So that whole sentence is having the double meaning, and when such situation is there, then that is called as what? The syntax level ambiguity. Understood?
Yes sir.
Okay. And third is there, that is the referential ambiguity. Referring to something using the pronouns. Pronouns म्हणजे काय?
उच्चार करणे. बोल.
Noun, pronouns, नाम, सर्वनाम, असं काय काय आहे ना ते. Now here you can see the referential ambiguity. From the example you will understand this. Okay, you can see here the example. Can you able to see this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What I have written?
Rima went to Gauri. She said, "I'm tired."
हा शी जो आहे ना शी प्रोनाउन
आता काय मिनिंग आहे या सेंटेन्स? Rima went to Gauri. She said, "I'm tired." आता इथं नक्की कोण टायर आहे हे समजू शकतं का आपल्याला?
No.
I hope you are getting the meaning of tired.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Rima tired. Yes. Rima म्हटली. पण नाही, गौरी पण म्हणू शकते.
Means what? This is the we have the confusion here related with the who is referring to whom.
Yes.
There is a confusion in the reference. We don't know who using this sentence. We are not able to understand exactly who is tired here.
Yes.
Whether Rima is tired or the Gauri is tired, and that is this kind of ambiguity is called as what? The referential ambiguity.
Ambiguity.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So these are the different problems that can become in the natural language understanding. आता हे problem जसं human being ला येतात, बरोबर? Now this kind of problem is also faced by the human beings. All of you are agree? Correct?
Yes.
So similar way, this kind of problem can be faced by the machine also. That is in our first component, natural language understanding. That is nothing but the that we understood, and also we understood what kind of difficulties can come during the natural language understanding. Understood the first component?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remaining we will see the next time. Okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.